Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need access now. Sign into the Google account that owns your channel and install the YouTube Studio app or open YouTube and tap your profile. Once done, select YouTube Studio in the menu. This bypasses extra settings and takes you straight to management tools. Make sure to grant storage and microphone permissions so uploads and recordings work. You're starting with the account that controls the channel, which avoids permission conflicts and speeds up every subsequent action. Once inside Studio, you'll land on the dashboard. This shows recent activity and urgent alerts so you can prioritize. Tap Content to see your uploads. Choose a video to edit title, description, privacy, and schedule. Edits apply immediately or at the scheduled time. Make sure to use filters to find items fast. Then use analytics to track views and watch time, and comments to moderate. These steps let you control publishing, measure impact, and engage community from one mobile interface. To finish, publish your edits and confirm the video's visibility by viewing the live page. Double-check end screens and thumbnails in the mobile editor. You can trim, add end screens, and adjust basic audio here. Save changes and verify analytics start updating. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, make sure the app is up to date, and sign out then sign back in. That resolves most permission and sync problems. If you still have trouble, check account channel ownership or mobile internet connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.